Hidden deep within the Saudi Arabian desert, a project unlike anything humanity has ever attempted is beginning to reshape the future. Just a few years ago, this was nothing more than empty desert. Today, it has become the construction site of one of the world's most ambitious engineering projects. The vision is extraordinary, a city stretching 170 kilometers, built in a perfectly straight line without traditional roads. Before the city could rise, millions of tons of sand and rock had to be removed to create its enormous foundations. The foundation alone requires engineering on a scale rarely seen in modern construction. Slowly, steel begins replacing sand, marking the first visible shape of the future city. Its mirrored exterior is designed to blend the city into the surrounding desert while creating an unforgettable skyline. Instead of highways, residents will rely on ultra-fast public transportation, connecting every district within minutes. Nature is planned to exist inside the city, creating a unique balance between advanced technology and green living. If completed as planned, the line could become one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. Before construction could begin, engineers spent months surveying the desert to map a perfectly straight route across 170 kilometers. Not every section was soft sand. Massive rock formations had to be carefully blasted away to prepare the foundations. Millions of tons of earth were moved to reshape the landscape for one of the largest construction projects ever attempted. To support this enormous project, an entire temporary city was built to house and serve thousands of construction workers. Every day, thousands of tons of steel arrive, forming the backbone of the world's longest linear city. These foundations must support structures unlike anything ever built before, demanding incredible precision and strength. As construction accelerates, the two parallel walls begin rising together, giving the project its unmistakable identity. Extreme temperatures create one of the biggest challenges, yet construction continues almost every day despite the harsh desert climate. The city's iconic mirrored exterior is designed to reflect the surrounding landscape, creating a structure that almost disappears into the desert. From the sky, the true scale becomes impossible to ignore. This is not just another city. It is one of the most ambitious.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Hold there.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with the weld sequence.
Easy now. Clear the ventilation ducts. Holding steady at 10 meters. Bring it down another 5. Instead of traffic jams, residents will travel using an advanced high-speed transit system designed to move people across the city in just minutes.
The line is designed to run primarily on renewable energy, combining solar and wind power to reduce emissions and create a more sustainable future.
Fresh water is one of the region's greatest challenges. Advanced desalination technology will provide a reliable supply for the entire city.
Nature is woven into every level of the city, creating green spaces where residents can live, relax, and enjoy a healthier environment.
Homes inside the line are expected to use artificial intelligence to improve comfort, efficiency, and everyday life.
Look at the efficiency metrics since we implemented the new schematics.
Impressive. We are definitely ahead of schedule.
Let's grab a table over there. The children are loving the park. Oh, look, there goes the shuttle.
Whether it becomes exactly as envisioned or evolved over time, the line has already changed the conversation about what future cities could become.
At the heart of the line, a central control system will monitor transportation, energy, water, and city operations around the clock.
The neural scan shows significant improvement. The nanobots have successfully repaired the damaged tissue.
By adjusting the parameters in this quadrant, we can prevent the overfitting issue we saw yesterday.
I see. That stabilizes the entire model structure.
Beyond work, residents and visitors would have access to entertainment, culture, shopping, and public spaces designed for everyday life.
The project aims to reduce pollution by designing communities where daily services are close together and green spaces are integrated throughout the city.
As night falls, the city transforms into a ribbon of light stretching across the desert, creating one of the most striking skylines ever imagined.
Viewed from above, the scale of this project becomes even more remarkable, standing out as one of the largest urban developments in modern history. Building in one of the world's harshest environments brings major engineering challenges, requiring constant innovation and careful planning. As construction progresses, each new milestone brings the vision closer to reality and offers a glimpse of what future urban life could look like. The line represents one of the boldest urban concepts ever proposed. Whether every goal is achieved,